I'm Shavin James joining the Electrovibe channel. Now today we are gonna make a smart waste bin. So waste is a big problem in cities nowadays. So we are gonna build a smart waste bin, not a normal waste bins. Normal waste bins are useless because nowadays people don't care about them and throw the waste everywhere. So now today we are gonna make a smart waste bin. Unfortunately, in this video I'm not gonna be able to show you how this thing is made because there was a big process when making this because I made a nice structure for it, but before of your luck you can see the circuit diagram of this, not the circuit diagram of this, the upgraded version circuit diagram. That's the luck of you. Unfortunately you can't see the this one's like how this thing is made. Yeah, no, you didn't saw the smart waste bin yet before seeing the upgraded version as well. So if you need to build up this, you have to go to the pinned comment or the description and get the documentation, and the documentation contains the circuit diagram and connections you have to make. Everything it is contained. And why are we getting too long? I think this will be a short video because we are not gonna talk about how this thing is built, but I'll explain more about how these things work. So let's move on to the see our smart waste bin. Okay, now you can see our smart waste bin is here. It contains a display to message people to put waste correctly. Yeah, it gives the 3R concept, and then the message keep earth clean. You can customize this message from the code. This message should be a very encouraging one to people to put but the waste in proper places. So now you can see a green light is lighted up. That because it's night time and we don't have light here, but when daytime it will be off. So I have a light here. When I get the light here, you can see the green light went off. That means it's daytime. When I turn off the light, again the green light came up. That means this contains a light as well to like encourage the people to put waste at night time as well. And here you can see a red LED not used, and here a buzzer, and here's the LDR that's get the whether it's night time or the daytime. So the magic is inside this bin. What this bin does is, so when we open this thing, the magic is the ultrasonic sensor. It detects if the bin is full of waste and give the message to people to clean the bin. Yeah, now it like confuse the ultrasonic sensor. That's why it little bit alarming. So when we put waste here and close the bin, yeah, the little alarm came. That means it's not fully filled up with waste, but a bit filled up with waste. Now we'll put another waste here to see what happens. Okay, so I have some waste here, then I'll put them over here. That also not enough. That means the bin is not filled up. So what are the other things I have to put to the waste bin? Oh, the alarm freaks. That means the bin is filled with waste. You can see the red LED is blinking and the buzzer is coming up, and nothing in the display. So display will be upgraded in the upgraded version. That's for the upgraded versions part. Okay, now you can see the bin is filled up. Now we have to clean up the bin. Open the bin here and get out our waste out of it. I'll fill this later. Let's move on to the video. So, what this bin smart waste bin contains is, under this cover, you can see this cardboard cover. Under this cover is the Overplay microcontroller, which is made by Robotic Gen Academy. So, I'm learning those stuff from the Robotic Gen Academy. If you need to learn those robotic stuff, join with Robotic Gen Academy. Link in the description and contact them. And you can first book a free trial class, and they'll learn, give what they do, and you can choose your pathway or the foundation level or anything you want. So that's up to you. Back to the video. And so the Robotic Gen's Overplay is underneath this thing. Overplay is a really cool thing. Using that, I made a lot of projects, and I will make a lot of projects. To see them, stay tuned with our Electrovibe channel and make sure you subscribe. And we're talking about the things this contains. This contains a buzzer, an LED, and LDR sensor, then another LED, and OLED display, and the magic, our ultrasonic sensor. So you can see when we are opening and closing the bin, the ultrasonic trigger get the message and triggers the alarm. So, and now this thing is powered by the cable connection to the ESP32. So I will upgrade this has the capability using batteries, but I didn't make a cutout or something to get the battery power. So I think I made a lot of things to talk in the future goals section. Why are we waiting? Roll on to it! Now you saw our smart waste bin, fully functioning, a well-designed smart waste bin. So, if you need to make this, go to the documentation in the pinned comment or the description and made it your own smart waste bin. So, when talking about the future goals, I have only one bin here. That means we can't divide waste. So, my future goal is to make multiple bins to categorize the waste and put them. And then this is like now it's fully automated bin, so nothing to say here, but one thing I have to do is add a PIR sensor to detect if the person come and open the bin. Then that will also encourage the person more to put waste on it, because some people are lazy to open the bin as well. So we are gonna add a PIR sensor if the person came and opened the bin using a servo motor. So if you need to see the work of the servo motors, see our railway gate station project. And moving on with future goals. So that's all about I have to say about my future goals, and comment your idea below comment section as well. And if you need to build this, I said unfortunately I don't have the building video of it. So if you need to build this, go to the documentation and get the circuit diagram and make your own design like this one. So, and in the circuit diagram you have 4 bins on it. That's a little bit upgraded version, not the fully upgraded version. So if you need to see the fully upgraded versions of this smart waste bin and other my past projects, Stay tuned with our Electrovibe channel and make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you for joining with Electrovibe and see you soon in the next video. Bye.